If you're looking to maximize your Amazon FBA profits, then using JungleScout is a game changer. This powerful software tool can provide you with the insights and data you need to make informed decisions that will skyrocket your business. Stick around because in this quick JungleScout guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage its features to grow your profits, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned seller. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually try JungleScout completely free from the link below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up. Stick around and I'll tell you how you can access these offers. To start, let's talk about the core of JungleScout, the product tracker. This tool helps you discover what products are selling well on Amazon and why. If you're new to Amazon FBA, this tool will help you quickly identify profitable niches. You can track products and their sales rank, giving you real-time insights into whether a product is growing in popularity or fading away. By tracking products over time, you can identify trends, seasonal changes, and potential opportunities that would be hard to spot without data like this. Another crucial feature is the JungleScout Chrome extension. When you're browsing Amazon, this tool gives you an instant snapshot of any product's sales performance. It shows you the estimated sales, revenue, and reviews of similar products on Amazon, which can be vital for product research. This helps you make smarter decisions, ensuring that you're not just chasing trends, but going after products with consistent sales. JungleScout's supplier database is another feature that you should be taking full advantage of. It gives you access to detailed supplier data, including manufacturers, suppliers, and their shipping volumes. If you found a product that's selling well, but you're unsure where to source it, this tool helps you quickly connect with suppliers who can help you scale. It's an efficient way to manage sourcing and increase your profit margins by reducing costs. When it comes to keyword research, JungleScout shines with its Keyword Scout tool. The Amazon Keyword Tool helps you identify the best keywords for your product listings. You'll get an understanding of the search volume, competition, and relevancy, all of which help you optimize your Amazon FBA listings to rank higher. The better your listing, the higher your chances of attracting customers, and the better your profits. But what about understanding how much profit you're really making? JungleScout's profit calculator helps you see the bigger picture. It calculates your total costs, including Amazon fees, shipping, and manufacturing. This will give you a true estimate of your profit margin and allow you to adjust your pricing or cost structure to make sure you're staying profitable. All of these tools combined give you a full, in-depth look at your business's performance, and they all work together to maximize your Amazon FBA profits. But here's a quick pro tip. Don't rely on just one tool or one data point. Make sure you're using JungleScout's features together to get a holistic view of your market, competition, and product performance. If you've been on the fence about JungleScout, I want to make it easy for you. The best part is you can try JungleScout for free through the link in the description, along with some exclusive bonuses just for you. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll see how much more efficient and profitable your FBA business can be. So, don't waste time doing everything manually or guessing about your next move. Get access to the best tools for product research, supplier sourcing, keyword optimization, and profit calculation. All of these features are right at your fingertips, and it's never been easier to maximize your Amazon FBA profits. Remember to click the link below for your exclusive free trial and bonuses. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with JungleScout.